Open Align 4.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. The drawing contains a surface marked with several circles, labeled A through F. Note: ensure that Object Snap, OSNAP, is turned on. If the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar is not open, select the alignment. Click Alignment tab, Modify Panel Geometry Editor. On the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click Alignment Grid View. Examine the Alignment Entities table in Panorama. In the first column, alignment segments are numbered in the order in which they are solved. Each row of the table shows useful design data about a specific entity. Each curve group has a two-part entity number and a separate table row for each spiral and curve. Values shown in black can be edited. Note: to make other parameters available for edit, you can change the tangency constraint and parameter constraint value of an entity. On the Alignment Layout Tools toolbar, click Subentity Editor. The Alignment Layout Parameters window is displayed, containing no data. In the Alignment Entities table, click any row for segment number 4, which is the free spiral curve spiral entity in Circle C in your drawing window. The design data for all three subentities is displayed in a two-column table in the Alignment Layout Parameters window, where data is easy to review and edit. If your design requires precise values for minimum curve radius, length, or spiral A values, you can use the Alignment Layout Parameters window to enter the values. In the Alignment Layout Parameters window, change the length value for a spiral to a higher number, such as 100, and press Enter. Note how this immediately increases the spiral length in 3 locations, in both the Alignment Layout Parameters window and the Alignment Entities table. Numeric values change. In the drawing window, geometry point labels move and their station values change, and the length of the spiral itself changes. Further exploration: experiment with changing the curve radius. In the Alignment Entities table, click Align or Curve Entity and note the data that you can edit in the Alignment Layout Parameters window. Press Escape to clear the Alignment Layout Parameters dialog box. Display a range of subentities in the Alignment Entities vista. In the drawing, Ctrl+click the curve entity in Circle B. The Alignment Entities vista displays only the attributes for the curve entity. In the drawing, Ctrl+click the spiral curve spiral entity in Circle C. Notice that the Alignment Entities vista now displays the attributes for each of the entities you selected, plus the tangent between them. To display the parameters of another entity in the Alignment Layout Parameters dialog box, click the appropriate row in the Alignment Entities vista. Press Escape to display all alignment entities on the Alignment Entities vista. Grip Edit a free curve entity. Note: this exercise uses Align 4.dwg with the modifications you made in the previous exercise. Zoom to the area around Circle B. Click the alignment. Grips appear at the curve ends, midpoint, and at the point of intersection, PI. Click the midpoint grip at the midpoint of the curve. It turns red. Click a new location for the curve to pass through. Notice that the curves and tangents remain tangent to each other, but both endpoints move along the tangents. Click the radius grip directly above the pass-through point grip and experiment with moving it. Notice that this grip affects only the curve radius and constrained to the direction of the radius change. Select either an endpoint grip or the PI grip, and experiment with reshaping the curve in different ways. Grip Edit a floating curve entity. Pan to the area around circles D and E. Select the grip in Circle D. It turns red. Click a new location for the grip. Notice that the pass-through point grip in Circle F does not move. Select the pass-through point grip in Circle E. It turns red. Click a new location for the grip. Notice that the pass-through point grip in Circle D does not move. The spiral curve entity in Circle D moves along the preceding tangent to accommodate the new pass-through point. To see how grip editing affects curve specifications, in the next few steps you will add a segment label to the curve. This label shows curve length and radius. The values update each time you reshape the curve. Notice that with this type of curve, if you edit the triangular PI grip, the curve radius does not change. Click Alignment tab, Labels and Tables panel, add Labels drop-down single segment. Click the curve in Circle D. A label is placed on the curve. Press Enter to end the label command. Click the curve to activate the grips. Edit the curve using the pass-through point grip. Notice that while the grip is active, you can use dynamic input to enter a specific pass-through point. You may also enter a specific value in the Alignment Layout Parameters window. Press Escape to deselect the alignment. The label shows the new length of the curve. Close this drawing. Specify the alignment stations to mask. Open Align 5.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. The drawing contains a four-way intersection. Notice that the offset alignments along Road A are not displayed in the intersection area. Each of these alignments has a mask applied to the region that passes through the intersection. In the following steps, you will apply a mask to the offset alignments along Road B. Select the offset alignment on the north side of Road B. Click Offset Alignment tab. Modified Panel Alignment Properties drop-down Alignment Properties. In the Alignment Properties dialog box, click the Masking tab. On the Masking tab, click. In the drawing, click the end point on the northwest curb return to specify the start point of the masked region. Click the end point on the northeast curb return to specify the end point of the masked region. In the Alignment Properties dialog box, click Apply. The mask is applied to the specified region. Apply masks to the west to east road offset alignments.